Translators change written text from one language into another, while keeping the original meaning clear and accurate. They work with books, documents, websites, and subtitles for films or TV. They need to understand both the source and target languages really well, and often specialize in areas like law, medicine, or business. Some translators work for companies, while others are self-employed and take on different projects. The average yearly salary for a translator is around £24,000 to £35,000. Beginners might earn closer to £20,000, but experienced translators, especially those with specialist knowledge, can earn over £40,000. Freelance translators set their own rates, so their income can vary depending on how much work they get and what languages they translate. To become a translator, most people have a degree in languages or translation. It also helps to have qualifications in a specialist subject if they want to work in a particular area, like legal or medical translation. Some go on to take a postgraduate course or get certified by a professional body like the Chartered Institute of Linguists, CIOL. Employers look for creativity, good communication skills, and an understanding of how to reach different audiences.